Before I talk about the course, I will like to share a small life lesson I have learned over the years, especially while teaching thousands of UPSC aspirants. In real life, or you can say in life, shortcut will give you speed, but strong foundation will give you success. Whether it is UPSC or life, you can or you have always observed or you will always observe that conceptual clarity is more powerful than shortcut or you can say speed. I have seen thousands of students who are downloading PDF either available online or you can say purchasing from the market, or you can say they are seeing the free lectures available on the YouTube. But at the end, what is the problem? That they get confused rather than clarity. So it does not mean that they have not worked hard. Yes, they have worked hard. But the problem is direction is missing. And I always used to say one thing, that if your concepts are not clear, then reading current affair will become a challenging for you. Similarly, you can say that if your concepts are clear, then you can solve the toughest exam also. So keeping this thing in mind, I have designed the Indian Economy Comprehensive course, where I will cover your economy syllabus for both prelims and mains. So you know that some students face challenges in solving prelims question and some face challenges in writing mains. So I have designed in such a way that while teaching, or you can say while covering your course or syllabus, I'll help you to practice PYQ as well as model MCQs as well as answer writing. Second thing, I think this is the first time anyone is doing in this UPSC industry. So I'll take your current affair batch also. So the course include current affairs also. Okay, and current affair from, that is your May 2025 to April 2026. So I'm talking about economy current affairs. Okay, so it is not like that I'll cover only your static portion and left current affair for you. No, it is my responsibility. Because if you have trusted me, so it is my task that I'll make you perfect both in static and current affair. As well as I will also cover your budget 2026, economic survey 2026, both from the perspective of prelims and mains. And the one more thing that is again I am doing for the first time in this UPSC industry is that I will take your 2 revisions also. Okay, and all these things will be done by me personally, as well as I will be always there for your doubt session, and that will also be taken by me only. Clear? Plus whatever answer writing or you can say mains test for economy that I'll conduct for you. So those papers will also be evaluated by me. So it is not evaluated by any other person. Clear? So it is evaluated by me. So this is what you will get in this course. So I hope that in order to make your, you can say, foundation strong, so I'll see you or meet you on 7th of July in morning at 8:30 a.m.